What if I told you there's a game-changing wall art design style that can generate massive revenue on Etsy with minimal competition? Sounds too good to be true? Well, I found a store that is making serious profit using this exact design style. The best part is super easy to create with AI. In today's video, I'm going to review the exact prompt to create this top-selling wall art design using Kittl AI. Plus, I'll share a trick to double your revenue by combining these designs with a print-on-demand service like Printify. So if you're ready to take your Etsy store to the next level, let's dive right in. Before we jump into the creation process, let's take a moment to understand the style used for this wall art design and assess whether it's still possible to make sales if we start selling today. So I started by analyzing each product thumbnail, and after carefully observing the designs, I finally came to a conclusion. This is called an impasto art style. Impasto art style is an oil painting technique that makes brush strokes more visible pronounced compared to the normal soft oil painting. The advantage of this design style is that even when printed, it gives the impression of being hand-painted by an artist rather than being generated with AI. So by using Alura to analyze the performance of this shop, we can see that these designs have generated $300 in monthly revenue and in significant numbers of total sales. This alone proves that there is a strong demand for this style of wall art design. Looking at each of these listings, you notice that they consistently generate monthly sales. And by sorting the listings by most sales, you can quickly identify the top performance and use them as inspiration to create your own. Now, examining the format this seller uses to sell their products, I noticed they only offer digital products. While this approach lowers the price point, it also reduces the profit margin. The solution offers both digital and physical versions of your product to attract both types of buyers and maximize your revenue. For example, I came across a store that sells this same style of wall art but only as physical products, and guess what? This store makes $5,000 in monthly profit and has an impressive total revenue. Now if you compare the profits of both stores, you notice a huge difference in profit margin. Plus, this store has just 56 listings. And when you look at the prices, you see how high they are. Yet, people are actively buying these designs. So instead of offering it in just one format, why not sell one design in two formats, digital and physical? This way, you can easily double your revenue. Now, in order to sell this as physical product, you don't have to worry about renting space or turning your garage into an inventory. Just click the link in the description to register on Printify, and you get access to a wide range of popular white label products that you can easily customize with your designs. Plus, Printify's seamless integration with platforms like Etsy allow you to create your product directly within Printify and have it automatically listed on your store. With Printify's new AI model, you no longer need to stress about crafting the perfect title, description, or tags. Simply provide a brief product description, and Printify AI will analyze top-selling items in your niche to generate optimized title, description, and tags, helping your product rank higher on Etsy. On top of that, Printify's global network of print providers ensures fast production and reliable delivery to your customers. I'll show you how to use this service later in the video, but for now, let's jump into the design process. Now, if I head over to the AI platform called Kittl AI, I'll start by creating a new project with portrait dimension. Then I'll select the AI tool, paste a simple prompt like this. After this, I'll choose the 9:16 aspect ratio and select oil painting as the art style before clicking generate. But you notice that the result doesn't quite look like what we need. So to fix this, I'll go back to the prompt and start it with an impasto art style. After generating it, you can clearly see the difference. I also tried this with other prompts as well, and you see how amazing they all turn out. But that's not all. I've compiled 100 more of these prompts. The link will be in the description. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. After exporting my design from Kittl, I usually take it to Let Enhance to upscale the images. Now, some of you might be wondering, didn't you set it at 300 dpi? What's the point of upscaling it again? To answer this, 300 dpi doesn't necessarily guarantee the quality of your AI generated image. Think of it this way, your mobile phone can shoot in 4K resolution. That doesn't mean the video quality will be as good as the one in the cinema. Now, to sell this as digital product, you can compile all your design into a Google Drive folder and then copy the link. After that, use the link to create a PDF with a clickable download button. I have a link to a video that will explain this process in details. Once you upload your PDF to Etsy, fill in all your products information. You could also check your competitors' products for inspiration on how they fill out their listings. However, we can make this process even better by using the AI model in Printify, since we are also making the design print ready using Printify. First, I connected my Etsy store to Printify. Then I went to the catalog section and selected poster under home and living. From there, I focus on the ones with the bestseller tag. After that, I click on start design and imported my design to scale it to fit the frame. On the side of the screen, you notice the default sizes available. However, you can offer more size options, select variant, and choose the ones you prefer. If you're unsure which size to pick, I've included a diagram in the video that explains the different sizes in each category so you can make the best choice. Once I'm done, I go straight to the Printify AI model and give it a brief description of my product. As a result, I can now have a more optimized title, description, and even a searchable tag for my product. Also, to add a great mockup for my wall art design, I can use one of the mockup in Kittl to create more attractive mockups for my product. Once everything is set, I click on upload and my wall art designs will be ready for sales on Etsy. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.